Hey man, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Wow, people, Dancehall skilla there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and every one. Alright, now first things first. One of the worst things that I think can happen to someone is to know that someone tried to help out a bad situation and the person who tried to help out the bad situation somehow got blamed, criticized and disrespected because the situation got from bad to worse, even though the person had nothing to do with the situation getting bad from the start. You see? Now, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show a female. And in the video, the female said some things that gave me the understanding that she talked about a female who called police from within her country after she saw a 2-year-old child walking on the road or out in the public unsupervised. It is said that the child died, no viewers and subscribers. It is said that the body of the child was found in a river. And I'm going to leave a link at the end of this video. And if you click that link will take you to a previous video that I posted about a situation where it is said that the body of a 2-year-old child was found in a river that is located somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. In this video, the female also talked about the child's mother. And I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to listen to some things that the female said in this video and tell me if you agree or if you disagree with the things that she said in this video. Now, please bear in mind that the female used a certain amount of harsh language in this video. So before I present the video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here's the video. Take a look, listen, observe, and tell me what you think.
Yeah, what I understand where you're coming from with neighbor girl, where it is, neighbor girl could deal with this situation a little different, right?
Okay.
But at the point in time, neighbor girl, that was the best way neighbor girl thought she could deal with this situation,
Okay.
right? She still do something by calling the police,
True.
right?
True.
And because of her calling the police is how Mommy Darris find out she 2-year-old wasn't there.
See?
You understand? If it wasn't for that neighbor calling the police, Mommy Darris would have still be cock off lull off doing whatever the she was doing, and she wouldn't even notice that she 2-year-old child missing. All you hear?
That's so bad.
So if it's anybody to blame, it's the mother. Yes, I understand Miss Neighbor Girl could have do it differently, but Miss Neighbor do it in the best way she thought she could have do it. You understand?
Okay.
She do it in the best way she thought she could have do it, and she could have do like everybody else and stay quiet, but she didn't stay quiet. She called the freaking police and tell the police about it.
Yeah, why is she alone? Why somebody?
And if Mommy Darris was a responsible mother, all this would not happen.
Okay.
All this would happen, and that little baby boy would have still be living today,
Okay.
right? So if it's anybody responsible for that little baby boy death, is the irresponsible mother for not being responsible and not attending to she child and not keeping focus and keeping close eyes on she child, even though she doing whatever she doing. You understand? And not safeguarding she house and locking she doors and doing whatever. That she little 2-year-old could have walk out the house and roam and end up in a river dead. It's not the neighbor fault. It's the mother fault. Yes, I understand the neighbor could have do better than that. Yes, I understand. But it's not her fault. It was the irresponsible mother fault, because if she was responsible, she child would not reach out there. She child would have be home right now and playing and doing his thing, living his life, his little precious life. But no, she irresponsible, and now he dead. And all they want to do is blame somebody who not responsible. The mother is to blame. The mother is to blame at the end of the day.
Now, my people, I am wondering if it's only the female alone saw the child when the child was walking on the road or out in the public. You see what I say? Yeah, me also I wonder if only the female alone call the police, viewers and subscribers, because it look away to know that a modern time now, you see me, we're not living in a jungle and them kind of things they like way back when. You understand? A modern time, car upon road, people are walk, people upon the veranda, you name it. You mean to tell me, say no, Zane? Zane, well, I'm asking the question. Is it really for a fact that is only one female saw that child on that day when the child roamed from out of the house? Eh? I am wondering if it's only one female alone called the police about the situation. Because if I saw the case, it look away. It look bad. Me I tell my people, it look bad. But you see life set away is to know what really and truly are going. Is to know what really and truly are going. You see me I say my people. Yeah man. But on a real though, the female made some valid points, viewers and subscribers. And me know say it really and truly hard to know that our parents lost his or her child, no, viewers and subscribers. But at the same time, you know, to know that someone tried to help and then the person who tried to help somehow got criticized, ridiculed, and probably blamed because the child died, I don't think it is right. As I say, yes, I can't tell a person that they can't suspect certain things, and I can't tell a person what they say are their opinions and point of views. But in my point of view, you know, this kind of thing set an example where persons might even afraid for try to help because they're afraid so they might get blamed if something go bad and all them things. It coming like when someone in our neighborhood and a criminal murder someone and then someone actually know who did the murder but afraid to call the police because the criminal come from the same community or neighborhood where the person is from. See, and the person might fear say the police and the criminal are my friend, or somehow the criminal might get the hear say and them call the police or so forth. So them things that may point out. But you know, you can let me know what to think about the things that the female said in this video, viewers and subscribers. All right. Yeah, I'm going to move on to another topic. It's really a sad situation, but me just you know, keep you up to date about this whole situation. You can let me know what to think about the things that the female said. All right. Anyways, next topic. Now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show two persons cutting cable wires from a utility pole. Now, according to where the video has been posted on social media, it is said that the video shows those two persons stealing cable wires, in viewers and subscribers. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where the video will be recorded. The video is said to be a surveillance video footage. The video also shows a date, even though I cannot confirm if the date is accurate, in viewers and subscribers. Now, I hope that this video can bring some form of awareness, and I would like you, my viewers and subscribers, to take a look at this video and tell me what you think. Alright? Now, please bear in mind that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. See, based on how this video shows a situation that some persons might call vandalism. You understand? Yeah, because those persons are cutting cable wires. Destruction of property. See that, my people? Cutting a go on this, you know, or saka in whatever they might call it, is it? Channel star. Life set away, you know. I'm not even ask a question as to what them are gonna do with those wires. You see me I say? Not even ask that a question then. Believe me. Channel. Look like them gone, you know. Gone. Look, so. Notice the wire moving, people. See wire move, look. See it? The wire go. Oh, wires, I should say. I mean, no say next one look like it a go move too. Huh? See it there? Janu. Well, my people, some Jamaicans might say brawling. You see me I say? Yeah. I don't know, but who's those persons who just do something like that, you look away. Anyways, my people, yeah, so I left it, big up and respect to each and everyone. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you in this video. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up on yourself, you see it?